Hi, Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Today I'm with the LW-PX350 and we're talking about the cutter. Now the PX350 has an automatic built-in cutter, so you can choose to turn that feature on or off, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Let's start by turning the printer on. Now the cutter is going to be in the condition menu. We can see that here next to the print button, and it's in blue, so we know we have to use the blue shift key to access it. So let's do that now. Press and hold the shift key, and then go ahead and press that condition button, and then you're going to use your arrows to scroll down to auto cut. When you get to auto cut, press return, and here you can choose to toggle the auto cut on or off. You can confirm the cutter option by looking at the display screen. You'll see the option for cut, and if the cutter is on, it'll have a tick mark there. If the cutter's off, it won't. So that's how easy it is to change the cutter settings on the LW-PX350. If you have questions about this printer or want to chat about your labeling needs, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.